Vintage Wood Products is the industry leader in accent wall material. Our thin, DIY planks have many uses from accent walls to sliding barn doors, headboards, and whatever else you can think of. No matter what your taste is, we have many options to choose from. Starting off with our most popular product, the Real Deal in Barnwood. Don't be confused by the others. This is real, authentic, reclaimed barnwood. You can buy it in a 10 square foot box or get 250 square feet with lengths up to 6 feet delivered right to your door. Really nice product. Or the widest barnwood on the internet, a really truly premium product at 6 inches wide, truly a product to impress your friends. Staying in the reclaimed world, let's look at 3 more options for you. How many shades of gray do you want? Well, our reclaimed barnwood has a plethora of them. Just a gorgeous on-trend product in addition to our whitewash product. That's gorgeous. It'll brighten up any room. And lastly, one of our most unique products, mushroom wood. Look at that. That's a unique product that your neighbors don't have. Our budget-friendly antique wood is a bit thicker at about a 1/2 inch thick, but the cool part about it is 2 things. It's all hardwood, which is really nice and nice to work with, nice coloring, but it was reclaimed from World War II shipping containers. Great story to it. Next is the Cadillac of Woods. Now this is an extinct wood, wormy chestnut. So Mother Nature doesn't make it anymore, but I gotta say Mother Nature did a great job making this. With the wormholes in there, boy, it's a unique, gorgeous, gorgeous product. Our selection continues with the trendy rustic white oak, the mystifying beauty of ambrosia maple, the alluring look of mineral poplar, and the always fan favorite walnut. Rounding out your options is one of my favorites, the premium artisan planks. 5 bold colors, 5 very on point, different species of wood. All together, it looks well on anybody's wall, sliding barn door. It's a great modern option. Obviously, we know DIY planks. This is the world I live in. I love what I do. Feel free to reach out to me or anybody at the staff here. I'm the wood wall guy. I love to talk to you about your project and decide on what will work best for you.